Welcome. We will show you how to use Possian Takeaway Service. We will start by registering. Please remember the company code because you and your users will use this company code for each login. Once you are registered, we can create our first store. Here you can change the currency of the store. Choose the type of store. To use takeaway sales, choose here. Cash and credit card payment types are enabled by default. You can enable which payment types you want, or you can create your own. The system will add sample sections, tables, menu and products for you. We will design our menu. You can change order of menu by dragging. You can add submenus to menu. We will add products by selecting menu. You can add cost price for profit calculations. You can assign a kitchen and printer to product. We will do it later. You can define addable, removable features with different prices for product. You can enable stock tracking by clicking here. You will receive a notification when the stock level goes below the critical value. You can use the kitchen screen to get orders real-time from the waiter. To do this, you need to define your kitchens and assign them to a product. You can define multiple kitchen screens for each store. Now we will assign kitchen to product. You can define selection groups if your products have common options in the selection groups menu, such as size selection, or extra pizza toppings. Now we will add a new product with selection group. We can assign multiple selection group to the product. You can add your users in the Users menu. You can use an email or username for your users. Set a temporary password for the user's first login. You can assign roles and stores to your users. You can change permission of roles and you can define your own roles. The first column is read permission. If you do not have read permission for sales, you will not be able to see sales. Second column is add and update permission, and last one is delete permission. You can reduce the permission of your managers if you want. Takeaway service. Click Add New button for new order. Add products to the order by selecting products. Added products will be added to the left list. If product out of stock, you cannot add it, you have to add stock. Now we will add stock to the product. Click the unsaved order to continue creating order. Once adding products is completed, click the Save button to save the order to customer. If the customer is new, fill in the phone, name, and address fields. The customer will be saved and you will be able to find later. You can select a courier from your users who have a courier role. You can see all active orders in the Active tab. You can add multiple features for one product. We will add extra toppings for a pizza. Now we'll look for our saved customer by phone number. After enter the number, press enter, or press tab, or click another place to find customers. All customers found will be listed in the results. To complete an order, go to Payment section. Select the payment type that you will receive. Complete button will appear once order is paid in full. You can click to the payment type to complete order when in the Active Orders tab. You can receive partial payments by selecting products. Selected products will be displayed in green, which means they are paid. You can hide paid products to find unpaid products more easily. You can select payment amount using the keypad. The remaining total is now 14. You can print the receipt if you have a receipt printer. You can add products or services that are not included in the menu. You can cancel the entire order by clicking Edit and Cancel. You will see canceled orders in the sales report with order details. You can delete a product from the order. In the sales report, you will see the quantity of the deleted product in this column, and the details about deleted products. In the dashboard, you can see various statistics about today. The first one is the Product Profit Performance Report. You can see which product makes more profit and sales quantity. Second is the distribution of payment types. Third is the store profit performance report if you have multiple stores. And the last one is the user performance report. Here you can see total sales, profit and costs amount. Open, completed and cancelled order numbers, total and deleted product quantities for today. We have a time-based chart where we can see sales totals for each hour. We can filter by sales type and by store. The sales report is identical to the dashboard, but here we can select a date range. And we can see the whole sales list between selected range. For details you can click on the order. Now we will see how the kitchen screen works. Click on the kitchen you want to track in the menu. It will connect to our server to get orders in real time. Take an order. Once order is received, it will be sent directly to the kitchen. You can mark as preparing or done for each product or entire order. Once the order is marked as done, it will disappear from the kitchen screen. Here, we see 2 kitchens receiving orders from one table. Now, we see how mobile caller ID works. You can use your mobile phone as a caller ID, or you can use native caller ID devices. You need to download the mobile application and enter your store's API key. Give permissions to the application. You can scan the barcode from the application to get API key automatically. Or you can enter via keyboard. Now, the mobile application is ready to use. Please make sure application working in background to get incoming calls. Enable the mobile caller ID here. Now, we will take orders by calling numbers.
My cafe, how can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to make an order.
Great. What would you like?
1 eggs Benedict, 4 fried eggs and pancake please.
Okay, would you like anything to drink?
No, thanks. That's everything.
Okay, that will be 19 euros.
Okay.
Some address, 1 road, correct?
Yes.
Thank you for calling my cafe. Have a great breakfast.
Thanks, have a nice day.
Please make sure the application is working in background to get incoming calls. If you are not in the takeaway screen when call comes, you can find numbers in missed call section. You can create an order by clicking the call. Now new customer is calling for first time. The new customer will be saved at end of the order. As you can see, the customer saved, and we can see the name and address. You can delete the calling number if you don't want to create an order. You can see and manage all customers in the customers menu. You can use live support to get help. Or you can send an email to support@possian.com. To go to the Help Center, click on the question icon in the top menu and then click on Help Center. Help articles can be found here. Possian.com. Thanks for watching.